The dock for 15 Apple MacBook Air docking station Connect D is designed to turn a slim MacBook Air into a fully expanded workstation without adding unnecessary bulk. It focuses on delivering a balance between portability and performance, making it ideal for users who need multiple connections while working from home, office setups, or even on the move. The compact design blends seamlessly with the MacBook Air aesthetic, maintaining a clean and professional desk setup while unlocking a wide range of connectivity options. This docking station significantly enhances productivity by allowing users to connect multiple peripherals at the same time. Whether it is an external monitor for multitasking, a keyboard and mouse for comfort, or storage devices for quick file transfers, the dock handles it with stability and efficiency. It reduces the frustration of constantly plugging and unplugging devices, making workflow smoother and more organized. The plug-and-play functionality ensures that setup is quick and hassle-free, even for users who are not tech-savvy. Performance-wise, the docking station is built to support high-speed data transfer, which is essential for professionals dealing with large files, creative projects, or office tasks. It also helps maintain stable connections for displays and accessories, minimizing interruptions during work or entertainment. For users who rely on external screens, the enhanced display support offers a more immersive and productive experience, especially when multitasking or editing content. Another strong advantage of this dock is its ability to keep the workspace clean and minimal. Instead of multiple tangled cables, everything routes through a single hub, reducing clutter and improving organization. This makes it especially useful for students, remote workers, and business professionals who value a tidy and efficient setup. The build quality feels reliable and durable, ensuring long-term usage without frequent issues or wear. Overall, the dock for 15 Apple MacBook Air docking station Connect D stands out as a practical upgrade for anyone looking to expand the capabilities of their MacBook Air. It delivers convenience, improved connectivity, and a more professional workspace experience in one compact solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.